Well, she's all installed. I use this grip right drillless thing. We'll see how it does. I don't like it. All you do, you put 2 bolts in. You probably can't see. Oh, there it is. Well, you really can't see. It kind of sandwiches in there. It's a big waste. It seems to be doing alright. I like the J-hooks a lot better. But that's what all they had at Lowe's, and I didn't have time to mess around with J-hooks, so I spent the $20 for the stupid thing. But looks pretty good. I searched everywhere for a decent toolbox, and they were all junk. Craftsman, crap. Home Depot sold, Menards. Well, this Kobalt seemed to be the best. It's about 289 bucks. Yeah, we'll see how it holds up. Charlie's still happy to be outside. And Oscar chilling in the truck again. Still. He loves my F-150. I'll probably do a review on the F-150 because I couldn't find a lot. And I couldn't find a lot on the toolboxes. I actually couldn't find nothing on the toolboxes. Nothing that was helpful. Alright. Bye.